Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be super casual. I'm leaving for the Gold Coast for a seminar tomorrow morning. It is 8 p.m. and I haven't even started packing because I had a million things to do this week. So I thought, you know what, I haven't even got a video for you guys this week, and I have a few new in items in my wardrobe that I wanted to show you. I picked up a couple of things from Hermès, Zimmermann and The Curated. Yeah, I think that's it. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna pack with you guys. I'm taking some of the new items that I bought in the last couple of weeks. So I thought if I pack for my trip with you guys, I can do two things at once. I can have a video up for you guys, show you all the new items that I bought over the last couple of weeks, and by the time I finish filming, I would be hopefully pretty much packed for tomorrow. So I am taking a small Samsonite luggage. I normally do that for domestic trips over the weekend, and I usually take a carry-on for my laptop and things like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be taking these two. And for some reason I was so tired today that I made myself a coffee. It is a decaf oat latte made with the new Nespresso virtual machine. So good. But yeah, I just needed something to keep me going. So let me have some coffee before we get started. So I'm going to start packing now, and as I go, I'm going to show you what outfits I'm taking, and some of those outfits would be the new in items in my wardrobe, so I can also show you what's new in my wardrobe. So I'm just going to be there for the weekend, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so I pretty much just need 3 outfits, I guess, and maybe one extra one if we're going out. So I'm going with a couple of my girlfriends. We're going on a seminar, which I'm so excited about because it is the first seminar, you know, since COVID started. So it is a 2-day course. We'll have 1 day for shopping, so I'm hoping to vlog when I shop there as well, because I'm gonna go visit all my favorite luxury stores at Pacific Fair. So the first outfit that I'm gonna be taking is this beautiful Zimmermann dress. This is a new item in my wardrobe. I did talk to you guys about wanting to add a couple more Zimmermann dress pieces this year. That was part of my 2021 wish list, and this outfit I actually wore last night for a dinner, so I'll insert some photos, but I am obsessed with this crocheted dress. This rope belt came with it, but I think it looks a little bit too boho for me, so I probably won't wear it with this. But for the Gold Coast, it might kind of be cool and relaxed look, so I might take it. But I actually have a Hermès Kelly belt that I paired this with last night, so I might actually take that belt with me. But this dress I think will be perfect for the Gold Coast, and also it'll be a really nice day to night transitional piece. So during the day, I'm probably gonna wear this for the shopping day, and it'll dress up in the evening with some heels as well, so seamlessly. So something like this is such a good travel companion because you just need the one outfit that can do both day and evening. So definitely taking this. And I'm not sure if I ever showed you my Kelly belt. Not sure when I got this exactly, but yeah, I'm not sure if I unboxed this on my channel because I don't unbox every single thing that I buy. But yeah, I'm gonna take this to go with this dress. So that is outfit 1 that I'm going to likely wear on Friday for shopping. The other thing I love about this crocheted dress is that you don't have to worry about the crinkling. I mean, this sort of material doesn't crinkle, so when you're traveling, it's perfect. You don't have to worry about, you know, getting there and having to iron anything. For outerwear, I am going to be taking my brand new cashmere wool coat from this brand called The Curated. They're a Scandinavian brand, and I think they only sell online. I've heard really good reviews about their quality, and the price point is really reasonable for something made of such nice quality materials. So this one retails for 590 Australian dollars. It is a very simple wrap style. Comes in a few neutral colors, but I just love this camel color. So I've got this in the size small. I'm usually between extra small and small, and I just wanted to give myself a little bit of room. It is unlined. It is pretty relaxed, but I think it'll look so nice on top of my Zimmermann dress. But I'm probably going to be wearing this tomorrow, so I'm not going to pack it. I'll leave it out for tomorrow. I usually use the organizational cube pouches when I'm traveling for all my clothes to keep my luggage really organized. I'm a little bit all over the place, but for the bag, I think I'm gonna take my Bottega mini pouch bag because this color will work so well with my outfit number 1 and the camel coat that I'm taking. And yeah, it'll work with a lot of different outfits, so this will be perfect for shopping. Might take a couple of bags, but let's see. And for this outfit, I think I'm gonna pick these shoes, the Chanel slingbacks in the classic color. And then outfit 2 for the second day, I am going to the seminar, so I guess I'll just keep it simple. It is winter here in Australia, so I guess I'll just bring my beige cashmere jumper from this brand called Joseph that I picked up last year, and I'll just bring a pair of jeans, and I think they'll work so well with my Chanel slingbacks, so that way I don't need to bring a new pair of shoes for every single outfit, and I think that will be smart enough looking. So that will be outfit 2. And for outfit 3, I'm going to bring my Zimmermann blouse. This one I picked up from the outlet on a massive sale. I've saved something like 60%. Came with this little tie thing, which I don't think really goes with the color scheme of the blouse, so I never wear it. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this to go with some jeans as well. You've seen this outfit before from my previous video. So I think I just need one more outfit, and I kind of want the option of dressing this up for an alternative evening look. So I may actually bring a skirt to go with it. So I've got the 3 outfits sorted, I guess, and I usually keep a list of all the things that I need to pack on a trip. This used to be so handy back in the day when we used to travel a lot, but I suppose we're not traveling that much. So I usually go through this checklist to just make sure that I am not forgetting anything. So I've got all my outfits sorted. That usually takes the longest time, so I'm really happy with that. And then I just need to sort out my toiletries, and I usually take my Toiletries 19 pouch for all of the, I guess, travel sized shampoos and little toiletries and things. I know hotels have shampoos and things, but I'm really particular. I do like my shampoo and things, so that will be my toiletry bag that I'm taking. And then I usually put all my makeup in my cosmetic pouch GM. The PM's too small, so I sold it. I never used it, but the GM is definitely spacious enough for me to keep everything in. Usually the toiletry pouch I put in the bigger luggage, which this luggage isn't even that big, but with the cosmetic pouch I usually put it in my carry-on tote. And my go-to carry-on tote has been this Forever Pouch Zip Daily Battle Tote, because I do like the security of having the zip. I usually keep it stuffed when I'm not using it. So I'll fill it up with makeup later, but that will go into my tote bag. And now let's just show you a couple of new pieces that I picked up from Hermès that is new to my wardrobe. So the first piece you might have been able to guess from my vlog. By the way, if you haven't watched my luxury shopping vlog from last week, I show you a lot of beautiful things from Hermès, Dior and Celine. So I'm going to leave that video on screen and in the description section below. So if you haven't watched it already, go over and make sure you watch it. Yeah, from that vlog you might have been able to tell, but I did end up picking this beautiful top with all of these intricate details. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there we are. Look how beautiful. If you want to see what it looks like on me, head over to that vlog. I show you plenty of mod shots, and it is in the skivvy neck because we are in winter here in Australia. It just has gorgeous details, and this is part of the Hermès pre-fall winter collection 2021. Usually every season I try to get one piece that I absolutely love instead of buying a lot of fast fashion pieces. So that's what I've started doing sort of last year. So yeah, I usually try and just stick to things that are gonna have longevity in my wardrobe. So very happy with this, but I don't think I'm gonna take this with me to the Gold Coast because it's not as cold there. I don't think anyway, shouldn't be. Queensland is a little bit milder in winters. So I'm not gonna take this, but I just want to show you because I won't have time to film a proper like haul. And I also picked up a pair of shoes. So yeah, let me show you what I picked up, and then I can sort of tell you a little bit about why I decided to pick them up. So I did try these on when I was in the store, so I guess it wasn't very difficult for you guys to guess, but these are, what are they called? Moccasins Colette. In the white color. At the moment they come in 3 different colors. They come in the black and gold as well, but these are the white ones with the anchor chain detail in the brushed gold. These are very, very comfortable. So you guys know that I was looking to get a pair of shoes to replace my Chanel espadrilles with, just the, you know, very comfortable everyday sort of flat shoes that are not ballet flats, but I didn't really find one that really, you know, I love, that'll go with a lot of things. And then I saw these on the day that I went to check out the ready to wear collection, and I put them on my feet and they are so buttery soft and so comfortable. When I first looked at them, they looked like nothing, but on your feet they're actually really, really cute. And initially I actually thought they looked a little bit old lady and mature looking, but it really depends how you dress it, and I think you can dress so cute and make these look really modern as well. I sized down half a size to 37.5, so if you guys are considering a pair of very simple, understated sort of loafers, then I do recommend that you check these out. Trust me, when you put them on, they look really, really nice on your feet. So that is what I picked up. So at least I got the whole part of this video done. And there's actually just one more thing that I picked up that is new in my closet from Zimmermann. I just fell in love with this when I tried it on. So I guess I won't be shopping for clothes anytime soon. I might get a couple more winter pieces from this brand called Cezanne. I found a couple of cute sweaters, so that might be about it for this, you know, next few months. But look how beautiful this little blouse is. Guys, do you think I should take this to the Gold Coast? If I do end up uploading this video tonight, then I guess, you know, you guys can let me know whether I should take it or not. It'll just depend on how long I will take to edit this video. But yeah, this is just so cute with all of the details. I generally like Zimmermann pieces without really crazy prints, because I feel like with a lot of prints, unless it's a print that I absolutely love, it is so easy to trace those pieces back to a specific collection, and some prints just don't have lasting power and they can very quickly look dated. But things like this and the crocheted dress, I mean, you know, you can't really tell whether, you know, what season this was from. So yeah, very, very cute and very appropriate for the Gold Coast. So I might actually take this. So that is definitely a maybe. So let me keep this on the side. So that is the whole part of the video done. And what else? I told you guys it is going to be a very, very casual video, but you know, I am going to try and do some more casual videos, because I do really enjoy this casual setup, because sometimes it can be really stressful to just do those polished sit down videos. And if you guys don't mind this, I'd love to know, you know, whether you would like more of these sort of more casual sort of content. I mean, look at me, I'm just in my Uniqlo Hermwear, and I'm just wearing some Uniqlo like fleece pants as well. They're like track pants, but yeah, I kind of quite like this. So guys, I was just packing the toiletries, and guess what? I never ever normally use the size 26, but the 19 couldn't fit everything. I think it's because usually I have a lot of samples of face creams and things, but I ran out of the samples, so I had to carry a lot of the full-size products. So that is filled full going into the check-in luggage. So I actually thought about letting the 26 go, but I'm so glad I didn't, because now I can use it. And usually what I do with makeup is, obviously I'm gonna have to do makeup tomorrow morning, so I usually keep everything that I think I need in the cosmetic pouch, and in the morning I usually test whether I've got everything in there by just doing makeup out of this. So that will still go in the bag, and I'll just take it out tomorrow morning to do my makeup. I've got my charger in the tote as well in case, because if I vlog I might run out of battery. And I usually take cleansing wipes for makeup removal. It's just the easiest when I'm traveling. And I do recommend a electric toothbrush for those of you who might be wondering what dentists recommend. So I've got my electric toothbrush and a little toothpaste sample in there, perfect for traveling. Just going through the list, I've got all the toiletries: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, cream, face care, makeup removing cleanser, toothbrush, toothpaste, sunscreen, concealer, bronzer, blah blah blah, makeup, hair curler. I have to curl my hair tomorrow morning, so I'll be packing that tomorrow. Hair straightener, it's only the weekend, so I'll only take the curler. Tangle teaser, yes, I need to pack tangle teaser. Some bobby pins, elastics, I can do that. Contacts, yes, I need to pack glasses tomorrow morning. Oh, underwear. So I've got this really cute underwear sort of pouch that I got ages ago. It was a gift from one of my friends, but how cute is this? I take this on every single holiday. So on the one side, it's got a separate pouch that says wear me, and on the other side, it says wash me. So you put all your fresh bras and undies on this side, and you know, as the days go by, you can move the old ones to this side. So I just thought this was just so genius. I've been using this for so long now. So that is in there. If I can find something similar to this, I'll leave it linked down below. Just need some pajama socks. Swimmers probably won't be swimming, it is so cold. Don't know if I'm going to take my laptop because I don't know whether I'll get time to do anything on my laptop, but maybe I will still take it. Phone charger, earphones, my AirPods are charging. And I'm just wondering if I should take another bag. I mean, I was showing you that I'm taking this Bottega Pouch Bag. It's very small. Does this go with my blouse? Probably. I mean, it's got some hints of beige in there, so that goes with the Zimmermann dress, the crochet one. That is not too bad, although they're not the same sort of beige. It's only for the weekend. I don't know if I should take my Chanel mini. Let me think on that. Oh, by the way, guys, I completely forgot to mention, I am definitely taking my new Fendi basket bag in the PVC. A lot of you guys absolutely hated it when I unboxed it recently, but I still love it, and that's what makes things really interesting, that we all have different tastes. But this was probably the single most hated bag on my channel. But I personally think it is so adorable in this pink color especially, and I think it looks so cute with my crocheted Zimmermann dress on the Gold Coast on Surfers Paradise. Can you imagine? I'll try and get some photos. So yes, I am definitely taking this. I think it'll be so adorable. So I think that is probably sufficient for just the weekend. It's only 2 nights, so I don't want to carry too much with me. Yeah, that is pretty much everything that I'll be taking and everything that I've recently added to my closet. Let me know what your favorite piece was. I'll leave all of my new things linked down below if I can find them online. For sure, Zimmermann stuff I'll be able to link, so check them out if you're interested. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this very casual chit-chatty video. Again, let me know if you enjoyed this sort of style of video. It's going to be very unpolished, so I don't know if you will even enjoy this. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me, and I'll be vlogging and taking you guys along with me on the Gold Coast, so stay tuned for that. I mean, fingers crossed, hopefully. So yes, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!